So at the moment, I'm feeling quite a lot of anxiety. It's showing up as tension in my chest, my diaphragm, and I can see a bunch of looping thoughts, worries about the future. So I wanted to share how we can resolve anxiety really quickly. Now, as I go into this, I'm going to take you through a real time. At the end of this, I'm going to have resolved this anxiety and move forward on my day without carrying this energy anymore. In order for me to do this, it's taken some practice over time. I've needed to become aware of my thoughts. I've needed to become aware of my body. I've needed to become aware of how I feel and be able to experience all of these things without denying it or avoiding it, pushing it away, without attaching it to meaning something about who I am. Because I've realized that I'm not all these thoughts, I'm not my emotions, I'm not the sensations and the things happening in my body. I am the awareness that is watching it. So if I can interpret it through that perspective, then I'm no longer consumed by it. I can just see it as it is, and then the grip of that, all of those thoughts and feelings that may be bundled into anxiousness, which really come back to my childhood when I felt uncertain. And so I'm going to just work through that in present somatically right now with you. So I'm going to go into a stillness practice and just talk through what's happening. Hopefully you can see how you might be able to do this too. And you may be able to then move forward more clearly in your life, connected back to you and your wholeness, and bring love into the world. So let's go. So I'm just going to start off and just, even as I spoke about it, by the way, it's already started to move because I'm seeing it more clearly rather than getting immersed in all of those thoughts and feelings. So I'm just going to feel my feet on the ground and just notice the environment that I'm in at the moment. Coming back to my senses, what do I see? What do I hear? I can hear the birds, see the trees just gently moving. It's quite still. But there's a subtle movement happening in the environment around me. And here I am in the center of it. I feel my feet. I feel my feet in contact with the ground. I feel supported. I can feel my heart. It's kind of beating faster and slower. And I'm going to come back to my breath, just noticing the stream of air moving in and out of my nose. I feel it's cooler as it moves in and warmer as it moves out. Now I'm just going to bring my arms just away from the body a little bit, just so that they're not passive and flopped. I'm bringing my body into a state of aliveness and activity rather than collapsing. Now I'm just going to notice is there anything that I'm resisting here? What am I trying to change or make different? What am I not present with. So there's a feeling there that I can see. I feel hurt. And as I acknowledge that, I notice my body softening. I notice the space in my chest starting to warm up. So I'm just supporting myself to become safe in acknowledging the experience that I'm having. It's really, I'm acknowledging my existence. I'm acknowledging that it's safe to feel what I'm feeling. I can allow this to be here. I'm also seeing that this is just a small part. There's something that is watching this. I can see it, because honestly there's also parts of me that feel really happy and joyful. There's just this part that feels hurt. I don't need to try and interpret this or extrapolate meaning from it. I just become present with what is here, how I'm feeling. Allow, acknowledge that to be seen and felt. I feel there's a bit of fear as to how this might be received. Is this boring? Are people going to judge me for being real and talking through what I'm experiencing? I feel parts of me that want to perform in a particular way, and it feels vulnerable not being put together in a particular way, not presenting. Been making content and helping people for a long time, so there's a part of me I can see that is identified by showing up in a polished way and being seen in a particular way. But now, as I'm allowing myself to be seen fully, all parts of myself, it's vulnerable. So I feel there is vulnerability. There's a feeling of vulnerability here. And as I felt that, my heart rate started to elevate. So notice it's a continual unfolding. We're noticing, we're acknowledging, we're allowing, rather than resisting and avoiding and pushing away. Now, a lot of that charge, a lot of those strong feelings now, just by allowing them to be here, have passed. I'm now feeling a lot more stillness within. Notice I'm not trying to meditate. Meditation is the byproduct of this process that I'm going through. I'm reaching, I can feel myself moving into a space of meditation. I feel my energy starting to expand. It's like there's an openness to connect with the world. My awareness is expanding into my environment. It's like an interest is emerging. I feel a resonance, a connection with the plants around me now. There's a bird over there. I can feel a connection with the bird. It's actually quite a beautiful bird, by the way. It's yellow on its chest and blue on its head. For those of you who don't live in Australia, that's a kookaburra. The birds singing in the background. So I'm just continuing to stand here. Every breath, particularly as I exhale, I keep just softening down into the ground, softening into the center of my body. In the beginning, as I was doing this practice, I was holding so much tension because I wasn't aware how my thoughts were affecting me. I wasn't aware how I was resisting and avoiding my feelings. I wasn't connected to my body. So as I was here in stillness, all I knew was a lot of built up emotion, a lot of anger, grief, sadness, tension, pain was being held in my body. So as I showed up and just observed this over time and slowly saw myself, here I am in the center of it. It's all happening. It's all happening around me. Here I am in the eye of the storm, just watching. Oh, that thought's trying to pretend that it's me. Those feelings are connecting with these other feelings that I felt in the past, and I can see that my thoughts are engaging. Does that mean this? This means I'm that. Different beliefs come up. So we get to see all of these things, and over time this space becomes clearer because we give less and less energy to all of these different thoughts and feelings. I see that I have this body, but also this is not me either. It is a vehicle of experience. So then my relationship starts to shift with my body. How can I take care of this vehicle that's supporting this experience? This might sound funny, but this is really honestly how the process has happened for me. And I've seen this continued, replicated in others as they go through this process, as we show up, as we come back to stillness. It's not easy, it's confronting, it's like a mirror. You see everything. You see all of the things that you don't like, the things that you've judged, the things that you have been told and conditioned to believe. And then over time, as you strip back, keep subtracting, seeing, okay, that's where that came from, and that's where that came from, and now in the present, does that define me? No. So what am I right now? What am I? Who am I? Then we start to get somewhere. Okay, so now I can feel myself, I have entered into meditative state. Not disconnected, not escaping that anxiousness that was there at the start. Just here. Now, as I move into my day, I'm now not moving driven by that anxiousness. I have felt it, and I will likely feel it again. But now it is completely past. In this short snippet of time, rather than then going into scrolling and working and trying to find some way to override this feeling, I meet it. I dissolve into it. I see myself at the center of it, but I'm not engaging with it. I'm not feeding it. I'm just seeing what it's connected to. When I have that thought, why did I think that? What did that thought mean to me? When I have that feeling, what is that saying about me? How am I interpreting that feeling? I'm coming back to, okay, what is actually happening? And I've learned that that's really actually all that matters. What is happening right now? How am I engaging and interacting with that? So I hope this has been helpful. You've now seen in real time how we can be free of things like anxiety. I would apply this process to any feeling that I'm struggling with, any state of emotion that I feel stuck in, to come back to presence. It will look different every time. Sometimes I meet some harder parts of myself, but as I keep going through these things, it becomes clearer and clearer and clearer. More love emerges, which is really kind of our natural state of being, like when we're babies. We don't come in with all of these things. We come in as this pure bundle of joy, and then we're conditioned over many years by our environment, and then we take that forward as if that is us, but that is not. What is within you? That is my question for you today. And that's what we're here for, to uncover that. So I'm right here with you as you explore this journey. Keep practicing, keep being. See you again.